HK USP CO2 pistol. Its serial number on it. Feels pretty good in the hand. It's heavy. All this is plastic. 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 Mag's plastic. Obviously, put the CO2 in. You need a Allen key, open, close, as you can see. It's easy to do. Hold 16 rounds, which I think is pretty. Well, it's alright. It's not bad. Hit trigger. Pops back. Safety. Not too sure what this does. Anyway, that's that. Then you get manual. Just some crap about where it's made. Alright, so it's 330 FPS with 20 grams. 16 rounds, you can see, blah 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 blah. It's got about 75-foot range. There's a bunch of crap in here. A 60-day warranty apparently, which is shit. The rest of it's in Spanish, but yeah, it's not a bad feel. It's pretty accurate, shoots straight. Actually shoots really straight. When I was testing it earlier, I was getting pretty close to a Coke can. I was a good distance away. So yeah, it's accurate. It's made in Taiwan. I'd buy it on principle of that rather than made in China. So yeah, it's pretty accurate. Feels great in the hand. What would I say I don't like about this? That it only holds 16 rounds. An extra magazine's almost half the cost of the gun. That's stupid. But besides that, can't say anything bad about it. Yeah.